How's it going, everybody? It's your boy Stas here. Welcome back to yet again another video, and happy Saturday, guys. Cheers. I appreciate you all for tuning in as we're about to break down Nvidia stock, the charts, what I'm looking to do here as we're slowly wrapping up the year. So guys, hit the like button. Do not forget to subscribe. And if you want some free money, get your stocks from Moomoo. Check out the link down below. Open up your account and deposit at least $100. You get 5 free stocks. Deposit at least $1,000. You get 10 more free stocks. And overall, for now, your uninvested cash will earn up to 8.1% APY. So guys, use that link down below. Excuse me, man. I'm freaking sick still, but we're powering through here, guys. Or go to StasSurFest.com/Moomoo. Again, link down below. Get your free stocks, guys. And with that being said, cheers. Let's get into it. So Nvidia stock went down over 2% yesterday on Friday, and pretty much all of that loss came in the first 30 minutes to about an hour of trading. You guys can see in the pre-market yesterday, we were almost at $140 per share. It looks like here we hit $139.67 in the pre-market yesterday. Then once we opened, boom, we collapsed from around 139 all the way down to $134.70, which was a drop of around 3 to 3.25% right out of the gate. And then you guys can see here on Nvidia stock, we then kind of recovered, uptrended, if you will, rallied a little bit into close. So we rallied into close to about 137. So we went from 134.70 at the low all the way to 137, which was a move of almost 2%. Not too bad there, guys. Not too bad. But overall, still, we had a red day for Nvidia stock. And by the way, I mean, you guys probably know at this point, every index went down as well. We're talking the S&P, Dow, NASDAQ, Russell, all of those were in the red. And yeah, I mean, a lot of stocks got hit, guys. The proof's in the pudding. You guys see it right here. And on the 5-day, 5-minute, with that move, yesterday on Friday, we took out the lows from, it looks like here, Thursday, Tuesday, and now we're pretty much right where we were to start off last week. Last Monday, I think we were at about 134, 134.50. And that's pretty much where we held on Friday. We sold off to that point, held it as support, and then we bounced off of it, which is good in the short term here. We'll see if overall the mid-130s holds as support for Nvidia. I mean, it needs to be honest, guys. That's a big spot in the short term. And on the 30-minute chart, you guys can see we're still technically holding a higher low. I mean, are we not? Now that we're holding 135, we're holding above 126, 127, which was the low from about a week ago. So that's pretty good here on the 30-minute chart. And on the 20-day, we're trying to hold on. We're holding on by a thread above $135, $136, which is right by the 180 SMA here on this 1 hour time frame, which this spot needs to hold. If we do end up bouncing off of 135, we could end up seeing, a big move past 140, but we're not getting that full confirmation quite yet. We have to actually break past 140 for this to really start moving again, in my opinion, guys. And here on the 4 hour time frame, this is important because this shows us a couple of different things. If we look at the channel here, if I draw this out, Nvidia is still very much so in this downtrending channel on the 4 hour chart. So it's been in this for about a month and a half, 2 months at this point. Ever since the beginning of November, we've been making lower lows, lower highs. You guys see that here on this time frame. And as of now, based on last week's trading, we got hit again at the top of this channel, which you guys can clearly see here. We're getting rejected. So for the bulls heading into the new year, we're going to have to break out of 138. 140 and really start to, make a move back to the low mid 140s, which that would constitute a breakout, which we're not getting yet. We're not getting that quite yet. So I'm going to set my alerts, guys. Give me a second. $140 per share. Mark is at or above. And I'll do another one at, let's see here, maybe 142.50. Mark is at or above, and we'll see where it goes from there, guys. And on top of that downwards channel that we're noticing here that I just talked about, we also still have a head and shoulders. Do you guys see the head and shoulders? That's kind of still in play. The neckline being at about 140, 142. That's kind of where we're approaching now. So, guys, this is big. This is big. Will we break out of 140, 142, break out of that channel, break out of the neckline of the head and shoulders? If so, this could really gear up for a big move. And honestly, guys, I'm in this stock. I've been buying it. It's been flat for months at this point. If you look at where the stock was back in June, it was at $140. Now in December, about to be January, it's still at about 135, 140, right? So we haven't done anything in 6 months. We are about to break out, in my humble opinion, in the new year. And on top of that, we can see that we have an ascending triangle. I mean, all signs are pointing to more upside heading into the new year. Ascending triangle, right? If we take out 140, 142, we start breaking that channel. It could be going a lot higher. So we're looking good, guys. Higher lows are being made into this resistance at 140, 142. So let's see if we're able to break out of there. So, guys, I'm curious. Let me know your thoughts in the comments. And by the way, make sure to sign up to my email list. I'm sending out my top 3 stocks every Monday for free right to your email. All you have to do is use that link down below, put your first name and your email address, and boom, you're signed up. Just like that. So heading into the new year here, guys, the overall stock market has been beaten up as well, right? SPY's down to about $5.95, about $14 off all-time highs. Pretty beaten down there. Nothing too crazy, but we are a little oversold on the RSI here on the 4-hour time frame. Same with QQQ. This is at, where are we now? 520, 522, down about 1.3% as of Friday, but still pretty oversold in my opinion on the 4-hour chart here. I think we are due for a rebound on QQQ, and honestly, all these indexes, the Russell in particular, I'm eyeing up massively heading into the new year. I'm looking at IJR, which is a small cap ETF. I'm really curious to see when this pops off again. I think it will ultimately pop off again, but we're not getting the confirmation yet on IJR. So I'm going to set my alert for now at $117 per share on this thing, and we'll see where it goes over the next couple of days. So, guys, let me know your thoughts in the comments. Hit the like button. Don't forget to subscribe and get your free stocks from Moomoo. Open up your account using that link down below. Fund it with at least $100. You get 5 free stocks. Fund it with at least $1,000. You get 10 more free stocks. And overall, for now, your uninvested cash will earn up to 8.1% APY. So, guys, it's a no-brainer. Use that link down below or go to stocksurfest.com/Moomoo. And with that being said, cheers. I'll catch you guys in the next video.